Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify S3 bucket access policies for backup data, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify S3 bucket access policies for backup data, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Once logged in, navigate to the S3 service by searching for S3 in the Services menu. In the S3 dashboard, locate and select the bucket you want to verify. Click on the bucket name to open the Bucket Details page. On the Bucket Details page, find the Permissions tab and click on it. Under the Permissions tab, you will see several options including Block Public Access and Bucket Policy. First, check the Block Public Access settings to ensure that if the settings are turned on, this prevents public access to your bucket. Next, locate the Bucket Policy section and click on Edit to view the current access policy. Review the policy JSON document carefully to understand who has access to the bucket and what actions they can perform. Look for statements that include effect, principle, and action to determine access levels. If you have any specific users or services that should access the bucket, ensure they are listed correctly under principle. After reviewing, click on Access Control List to see a breakdown of grantees and their permissions. Identify any users or roles that may need additional permissions for backup operations. If changes are needed, make the necessary adjustments to either the bucket policy or ACL based on your findings. Once all adjustments are made, click the Save Changes button to update the settings. Finally, test the access by attempting to run a backup procedure to verify that the updated policies work as intended. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.